Hi guys. Yeah. So here is a sneak peek into what I usually do on Saturdays or Friday nights. The markets are closed down. So what I do is I go through the trades that I took during the trading week, and I think everyone should do this exercise. You should always do this exercise. You need to go back and look at the trades that you took, the setups that you saw, the psychology that you had when you took those trades. You can only learn from your mistakes and you can only learn from what you did right. It's true in Forex trading. So you need to go back to every trade that you took and analyze why you took that trade, whether you won that trade or you lost it. I think it's more important if you lost the trade, because when you go back, then you are going to look at why did you lose it. In Forex trading, guys, a loss is only a loss if you don't take anything away from it. There are no losses in Forex trading. I don't think there are losses in Forex trading. It's only a loss because you did not learn anything from it and you are bound to make the same mistake next time. That's what makes it a loss. But if you go back and you learn from it, you learn what you did wrong and you learn how to avoid it next time. Whether you lost $100, whether you lost $500, it's not a loss. It's not a loss. So that's basically what I do on Saturdays and Friday nights. Whilst all of you are partying, I go through the trades that I took and look at the mistakes that I made. Why is it important? It's because history repeats itself. I think it has to do with human behavior, and markets do the same. Markets repeat themselves. If you don't learn to avoid the mistakes that you did in the past, when the same setup is going to appear again, because the market repeats itself, you are still going to make that same mistake and you're going to lose money. So how do you move forward? Learn to go back, analyze your trades, what you did, what you should have done, how to do it better next time. Now, talking about mistakes, guys, I'm so disappointed in myself. Like, really, I'm disappointed in myself. For somebody who is at my level of trading, somebody who has been trading Forex for this long time, I made what I would term a stupid mistake. What was the mistake? Well, the mistake, it cost me 500 pips on gold. Yeah, I missed out on 500 pips on gold because of a stupid mistake. So what happened? Let's go on to the chat. So if you watched a video that I think I posted on Wednesday, or was it Thursday, I mentioned that I was bearish on gold for the week and that I was expecting it to drop, I think, to around this zone. Unfortunately, you cannot see my analysis on my phone. That's because I do my analysis on my PC and I only use my phone to manage trades when I'm away from the PC. So there's a reason for that. There's a reason I don't do analysis on my phone, but anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. So I mentioned in that video that I first entered my sell trades here. and I got stopped out somewhere there. Then I entered again, and I think I got stopped out somewhere there. That's when I plugged in the Forex robot that I'm testing. Because I was bearish on gold, the robot was set to only take sell orders, to only short gold. So price came down around here and started retracing, and the robot piled in, I think, another 10 or so sell orders around here. Then price kept going up. It kept going up. I didn't worry because my risk management was okay, so my account could take it. So I wasn't worried about that. My lot sizing with the robot is 0.01. Something on my throat. So around here, the robot again took another 10 or so trades. So I think I was in around about uh, 25 0.01 trades. That's basically a 0.25 position, but it was spread out, and it's all selling. I'm shorting gold because my analysis was to short gold. Now, Friday is non-farm payroll. We all know that. The biggest show in the Forex markets every month. Everyone wants to get in on non-farm payroll, NFP. But the previous non-farm payrolls have not been um, moving like they used to. But anyway, so Friday is non-farm payroll. Then price, I think, retraced to thereabouts. Then one of the guys that I follow on social media is a well-known Forex guru. He said something around advising traders to stay out of this non-farm payroll. Because I usually trade on higher time frames, news is usually not a concern for me. I'm not usually concerned about news because the higher time frames, they usually absorb news. So that's why I was bearish on gold and hoping it's going to find a support down here. But now he was pointing out the situation in the US and why the job number is going to be very negative, also because of this coronavirus thing. So there was no way the US dollar was going to strengthen, which would what weaken gold. His analysis was that definitely the US dollar is going to weaken further, is going to weaken, and yeah, gold would what jump back. That was his analysis. His caution was, if you're not sure, rather stay out. But he made this to be a retracement to going back up. And I trust this guy. I trust this guy. I trust this guy. Well, most of the time, his analysis works out. So I trust him. And I'm thinking, let me close out my trades. If what he's saying is correct, let me close out my trades. And before doing that, what did I also do? I went onto social media and found people saying different things. Different things. Some bearish, some bullish. And now I'm there, I'm thinking, which direction should I go? My initial direction was to be bearish on gold, but now I'm listening to all these social media gurus and everyone, their analysis. I'm looking at their charts, I'm looking at other people's analysis of their charts, and I'm thinking, where is this thing going to go? Guys, that was my mistake. And I hope you learn from it. Learn to trust your own analysis. Learn to do your own analysis. Shut out the noise. When you're at Forex or when you're trading Forex, try as much as you can to keep a sober mind, which means shut out the noise. Do your own analysis. You are going to fail, you are going to win, but when you lose, lose with your own analysis and learn from it. It's going to be painful, but learn to do your own analysis and trust yourself. Have confidence in yourself. Have confidence in your own analysis. And first, you probably are not going to get it right. But eventually, if you keep learning and trusting your own analysis, you are going to start winning. So I didn't do that. For some reason, I allowed noise into my life. So I decided to close out my trades here. Kind of break even because I had trades down here and trades here, and now price was here. I got slightly bent, lost a few dollars, but yeah, I was price was around here, and I decided, now there's just everyone is saying their own thing. I'm looking at their charts and stuff. Don't look at people's charts. Focus on your own charts. I close out my trades. Then I waited for price. I could watch it drop to around somewhere here. And I'm thinking, I should get in. My analysis is still right. I should get in. But now NFP is about to come on. And I'm thinking it's probably the wrong time to be jumping into the market, given what I've read and what I've seen on other people's charts, their own analysis, their tweets on Telegram groups and Instagram. Huge mistake. And I think the other mistake that I made was because today I had more free time. So I had more time to watch my charts. Don't do that, guys. Don't marry your charts. You mess up even the good trades. Just because you're watching your charts, you're going to mess up even the good trades. What happens is when you enter a trade, or very often, it's not going to immediately go in your direction. So it's going to pull back, you're going to be in drawdown, and if you're constantly watching your charts, you are going to panic. You are going to panic and you are going to close your trades only to watch price go in your direction. It happens. So it's the same thing that I did today. I think I had more free time, so I had more time to watch the charts, and I shouldn't have done that. You must place your trades and walk away. There are only two outcomes in Forex. Either your stop loss is going to get hit or your TP is going to get hit. That's it. That's the only two outcomes in Forex. Either your stop loss is going to be hit or your TP is going to be hit. And you sitting looking at your charts every second, every tick, it's not going to move the market in your direction or do what you think it's going to do. You're just going to be stressed, and it's it's just going to make you panic and close out winning trades. That's a mistake that I made on Friday. Don't sit at your charts. So made two huge mistakes. I did not trust my own analysis, and I stayed at my charts, and I allowed noise into my analysis. I allowed people to tell me what they thought was going to happen. Huge mistake. So around 2, I let me go down to a lower time frame, go to other hourly. Around 2 o'clock, I think it's this candle. I went out of the house and to do some errands and some business stuff. Now, imagine my shock when I came back around 3 hours later, around 5ish. Price was there. Imagine my disappointment. I missed out on all of that. I missed out on all of that. My initial analysis to be bearish on gold was correct after all. I shouldn't have listened to these other guys. So basically, I missed out on 500 pips. 500 pips. Missed out on it because I decided to listen to the noise. So here's the lessons that I've taken. Try to minimize the noise in your life when you are trading Forex. It is what it is. I missed out on 500 pips on gold. I shouldn't have, but it happens. Next time when it happens again, I'm better prepared. If you have questions, comments, leave them in the comments box below. I'll try as much as I can to answer them. And until next time, bye.